Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of volume. This is standard 8.7a in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 1 of the 2024 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. All right, so we've got the shape of a sphere here for this marble, and all it gives us is a diameter of 13 millimeters. We need to find the volume. So unless you've got that memorized, let's go ahead and open up our reference chart here. Find the volume of a sphere, and you see it right there at towards the bottom. Let me do this so we can kind of put it directly at the bottom. There we go. Very bottom row. V equals 4/3 pi r to the third, pi r cubed. So let's write that down. That's what we need. V equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now, if we want to, we could estimate this, and then we'll just plug it into the calculator and see what works. The biggest trick, if you want to call it a trick here, is they don't give us the radius. This r stands for the radius. All they give us is the diameter. The radius, remember, is half of the diameter, or the diameter divided by 2. So you need to go from the center to the side. All right, so we're going to have to calculate half of 13, 6.5. And that's it. So 6.5, right, if we were to plug that in, this is what we're going to actually put into our calculator. 4/3 pi, and then we're going to put 6.5, let's make that a 5, cubed. Right, so 6.5 is about 7, right? So 7 cubed. It's going to be 7 times 7 times 7. I'm just getting an estimate here. So that's going to be 49. So let's make that 50 because that's a little bit easier. 7 times 50 is going to be 350. Right? So V equals 4/3 times pi is about 3, which means I'm going to cancel those two out. And about 350. So really it's 350 times 4. So that's going to be about 1,400. Now, I've rounded quite a few times, so it's not going to be anywhere close. I kept going up from 6.5 up to 7, from 49 up to 70. So I think it's going to be a little bit less than that. So I'm thinking that is probably my best bet, but let's just double check. All right, so let's go ahead and, I want to write this over here so I can see it. V equals 4/3 pi. Remember my R was 6.5 cubed. Let's open up calculator. Oh, let's start with a TI calculator. All right, so we're going to do 4/3. All right, so 4 divided by 3. Now we need pi. You see that pi there is above the caret symbol in blue, which means I need to go to second. Need to hit that, 4/3 pi. And then what I need is 6.5 to the third. So I'm going to use that caret symbol, and you see it automatically goes up to the exponent. There we go, 6.5 to the third. We really don't need any parentheses because the order of operations still has us do that one first. So let's see what we get, and we do get that 1,150.34, and they just wanted it to the nearest whole number. So that one does look good if we wanted to do that. We could also try it on the Desmos here, right? Now, we have to use this right here, and then we end up just doing the same thing, 4/3, right? And then we're going to move over, and then we're going to hit pi, and then we're going to hit this 6.5, and then we're going to go ahead and get up to the thirds. So you see the answer pops up there. So you can use the Desmos even if you're not graphing anything. It's got the calculator function in there. You just have to be able to pull up that keyboard to get some of the functions that you might want. And so either way you look at it, our answer is going to be that A, 1,150 cubic millimeters. And there we go. That is our answer.